edwonti barakuku mikwele edwonti yankuri oje jina gari yen chaw oje jina gari yen chaw twala OMANBAPA.
Excuse me, sir. There's a lady here to see you. She has a complaint.
What's the challenge, Kukwa? Can't you handle it?
I tried. It's about a bid she submitted. I'll have her come back later if you're busy.
Which bid?
The supply of school furniture. She hasn't received feedback from us and it's been 2 months now.
How's that? We wrote to everyone, even those we rejected.
Precisely, sir. Yet she received no word from us. The puzzling aspect is I cannot find her file anywhere.
Are we sure she submitted a bid?
Yes, sir. She has her receipt.
Send her in.
Thank you, sir.
I apologize for walking in without an appointment, but I'm at the end of my words. Delali.
Please, Delali, sit.
Thank you.
How can I be of service?
Thank you for seeing me. It's about a bid for the school furniture supply contract I submitted 2 months ago. That's the receipt.
Indeed. 1 minute, please. Thank you so much for coming over, Delali. We'll get to the bottom of this and get you feedback as soon as possible.
I know I should get feedback, even if I lost the bid. Although I made a very good case to win.
I know. And I must apologize for the delay and apparent mix-up. We'll get back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Brimpong. I'll expect your call. You know, it's very frustrating when you don't know one way or the other. It hurts business.
I know.
Just can't plan forward.
I know. And I must apologize for the delay and apparent mix-up. We'll get back to you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See you.
Have a good day.
You too.
She won the bid. How come she wasn't informed?
That was Mr. Babi's schedule, sir. As Director of Finance, he was to inform the winner in talk terms.
Come here, Mr. Babio.
Yes, sir.
Oh, aren't you in the least bit curious about what I've ordered for you? Go on. Open it. It won't bite you.
What's this?
I have no idea what it is. It's your name that's on it. The people I represent can take you very far. To the very top if you so desire. All you have to do is hand over control of all the contracts. Simple. I'll advise that you don't say anything now. Okay? Chew on it. I'll be in touch. And bon appetit.
It's a complete mess, sir. The entity which won the bid has been sidelined and replaced by the entity which did not even qualify for pre-selection. So I'm waiting for Baby to clarify. Maybe it's a mistake.
So you didn't understand what I told you this morning? I've heard through the grapevine that you're being difficult.
I don't quite follow, sir.
So that's the way it's going to be. You're playing smart ass, huh? You've forgotten so soon who put you on the board.
Now you've totally lost me, sir.
Well, you better find your way back quickly, or you'll be lost forever.
14 years. Time does really fly, huh?
14 glorious years and more to come.
I wonder where we'll be in the next 14 years.
Oh, Madiba and Yaa will definitely be out of the house.
And you'll be the president of Ghana.
Wow. Now that's a big leap. A very, very big leap of faith.
But you would be a great president, you know. You are a supreme patriot. You have a very big heart. And you have such great charisma.
Yeah. And that's if you're ready for the baggage that goes with, or that comes with that terrain like we've been suffering recently.
Greatness does not come cheap. Otherwise, everyone will be great. I'm ready to pay the price for your greatness.
That's so sweet.
OMANBAPA.
What happened to you yesterday? You came in and then you disappeared. I'm sure you saw my query.
Yesterday.
Sir, the police is here.
Inspector Wood, which one of you is Abebio?
Myself, Edmond Abebio.
Kwame Brimpong?
Onye? That's him.
Mr. Kwame Brimpong, you're under arrest for fraud. Whatever you say will and can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, we shall appoint one for you. Do you understand these rights as I've read them to you?
What's going on here?
Arrested.
For what?
What's going on?
Look, call my wife and tell her that I've been arrested for I don't know what. That she should get a lawyer. Okay.
Tell the lawyer to come to the police headquarters. Mr. Abebio, come with me.
Certainly.
Your client has been very cooperative, considering the mode of arrest. Now let's get to business. Mr. Brimpong, what do you know about this contract?
I'm sorry, but is this a joke? Yes, I know about this contract very well. But it cannot be in my wife's corporate name. My wife is a fashion designer, who also deals in handicrafts and local fashion accessories. She is not a furniture contractor.
Yet we have cited 2 emails from your account to this entity at home, which you claim belongs to your wife, and in which you awarded a contract. So how do you explain that?
I did not write these. Look, I am actually investigating a matter concerning this very contract. Now, just yesterday, I realized that the winner of the bid had been wrongly placed.
How convenient. And somehow this wrong placement happened to be your wife.
You do not have to answer to that.
You said you discovered something.
Yes. A woman with a complaint came to my office that she hadn't had any feedback concerning a bid she had put in. After going through the files, I realized that she had indeed won the bid. My PA is privy to all these happenings. Plus, I had a phone conversation with the DC on this very matter. A recorded conversation.
Also, if you wouldn't mind, we would like to test the integrity of the purported correspondence between my client and his wife's company. A forensics test.
It's okay, it's within your rights. But
Sir.
Hey, Brimpong. Please sit down, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
It's good you came. Young men like you gladden my heart. You always make the future look brighter. You are destined for greater things. Keep it up. You even work harder than most permanent teachers here, although you receive no pay. Keep it up.
Thank you for allowing me to shine, sir.
Here. The school board has appointed you as secretary of the 75th Anniversary Planning Committee. That is, if your time at the assembly will allow you.
I am deeply honored, sir.
You deserve it. Thank you. Then there is this.
Oh, there's more?
Yes, there is. That's a quote from a patriot friend of mine for the rental of the school canteen. I told her I'll hand it over to you, head of the food and catering committee.
Well, I'll add it to the rest. We've received about 4 tenders so far.
Yeah, you people make sure you make the best choice. The ball is in your court.
You can count on us, sir. We're actually meeting this afternoon on the matter. Yeah.
Good. Next one is in, huh?
Yes, sir.
Time is up.
Opportunity so.
Sure.
Time is so short.
Yes.
Make the best of it.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you people are going to start without me, eh? Good. No respect.
Respect? You who are late, without an apology. You are talking about respect? Unbelievable. I mean,
Akwe, Awo, please. Thank you.
What is funny? And you're going to go to buy this one.
sorry for the distraction. Now back to business. Well, first of 5 from NutriFam.
Excuse me. Did you say 5? But as at this morning, we have received only 4 biddings. So why 5?
We added one more passed on by the principal.
Hey, wasn't today the deadline?
Yes, deadline was at 12 noon. Mr. Brimpong handed in the 5th at 11 a.m.
The principal, Mr. Brimpong, and you guys don't see anything wrong with that?
What could possibly be wrong with that? He handed it in before the deadline.
But can't you see he's trying to influence our decision? Ooh, your guess is as good as mine. We are not children, no. Nobody can influence me.
But what is all this? You see how controversial
Colleagues, let's have some decorum. The principal has no interest whatsoever in any bid, apart from the fact that it was sent through him. He told me explicitly after I mentioned to him that it would be treated just like the others. I don't even know which bid it is.
After all the hobby lobbying in his office, look, Mr. Brimpong, I heard you people. I heard it myself. And you are telling me saying that you are not doing his bidding?
Not at all. I'm not doing any bidding.
Are we children? What, not at all?
My views alone cannot win anybody a bid. It is the 5 of us who will do the selection based on value for money, track record, and evidence of capacity and so on.
Exactly.
As we agreed.
Thank you very much, guys. Let's get straight to business.
Thank you.
Mr. Lut, I'm disappointed in you. Go where? When we have an issue to address, go where? If we go and we crash, nobody should push me. I'm not a child. I was said before all of you came. If I also go, because I went to elementary school, but I'm not a child. No, nobody should shut me up. Please let me finish.
Back to business.
God is watching
Mr.
people.
Chairman.
Can you people sleep with this thing in your mind?
Oh my God.
Let's get through this.
Like she's very committed to the marriage. You can tell. I love you also.
Oh no, good.
Okay. Yeah, what about you? No, finish your pancake first, okay?
So what are you two doing today?
The plan is...
I was asking you, Dad.
Okay, sorry.
Well, we're having family dinner. 7 p.m.
Count me out. I have that art concert tonight.
Oh, so...
I also have that book club meeting with Grace and Anna, so I guess it's just gonna be you two lovebirds.
And that is perfect. You two kids have fun. Your dad and I will have a jolly good time.
Mommy, what's wrong?
Nothing. The pepper.
The pepper.
Big spread, the ancient.
Baby girl, how are you?
Welcome. I didn't get a hug.
Man, neither.
Hello, darling.
Yes, dear.
Really?
Happy anniversary.
Oh, thank you.
One of your specials, eh?
OMANBAPA.
Kadang. One of you, my friend, one of you will make this nation great and strong.
OMANBAPA.
Yazapa.
OMANBAPA.
Yapapa. OMANBAPA, yapapa. OMANBAPA, yazapa. OMANBAPA, yapapa.
OMANBAPA no here. OMANBAPA no here. OMANBAPA no here. Apa.
Greetings, class.
Greetings, sir.
Okay. Take one and pass it on. The Constitution. It is the next important book after the Bible or Quran. You must make it your lifelong companion from now. Okay? It contains all the information you need to be an informed, law-abiding and free citizen of Ghana. Okay. The sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people of Ghana, in whose name and for whose welfare the powers of government are to be exercised in the manner and within the limits laid down in this Constitution. The Constitution shall be the supreme law of Ghana, and any other law found to be inconsistent with any provision of this Constitution should, to the extent of the inconsistency, be void.
Oh, don't mind them. I mean, I just told them. I told them, I mean, I don't give a hit. Have you seen? This is what the government will say. Holy anymore. Hey, Kwame Brimpong, savior of the world. Now, what is he trying to do? Tell me, is it Mr. Know-It-All or what?
Say it again. He seems to know it better than anyone else. Just don't know.
Always trying to impress people. Instead of teaching the children, you are not telling them stories. How you going to say?
And the same people turn around to come and win teachers awards.
That is why I don't like that award. Though. That's why I don't know. They don't want to give me. Me too, I don't like.
Are you sure?
Why are you doubting me?
No.
Look, if they give me I'll throw it away. That's all. I'll collect it and throw it away. If that is what you want.
OMANBAPA no here. OMANBAPA no here. OMANBAPA no here. Ampara. Mikwele edwa unti. Madakuku. Mikwele edwa unti. Yankuri. Muteye jina gari yenye chow. Muteye jina gari yenye chow.
Ebusiafo. Bibi koso wodwa isu amedwene ho amenti ase. Efri busia penso. Yati dwa isu. Esu eto ahye yen. Awi abo ahye yen. Matena dwa isu. Edi ahwe me ba pani university awie me da so tie awie isu. Chese omo mpani me hwe edwane mayen. Na mo meduru abato de a wo mo kitankanea ani kuraba ebe chama yen. Ni ato abama won. Asia ne sen. Mado wo wonu se adwomi yi ahia se me grandma me kan ho bi. Mfinfin me kan ho bi. Bibia me wo mu bi. Ewabo mi sa tasi nso matua no sa mre atama mi nto atasi peye eda mi nto ade nso abu mi abre what say me na me ye den ewia so abo me this market matter it don't tire me
ye de ya ka say afi be kwa ewieye na wo mu me ye hwefa adwa yi ho a eto wo ne ye be gye
yo ye ma me mu nsema ma kan yi de metiase na minimo ya adwen so na me kai say time me afra no na meta aba me ma me ho na de ba ko a oka ho asempa ne ewia na ebo no eni nsuo na ya eto na senya wo kan no na nti ade a edama kuma say me presiding officer yi me hwe so na ya sa shades ni pavement no ya ye ho ejuma amamo na aboa mo ejuma mo ye no
enada na doso Ubia ba no abeka de ope u de mama na nonti ba no abeka de ope ese yenye de ambotare mana nonti na nsha eh
ora we ya wa bai ora we strong ko in fact one mo atena the area mu ha se ya che free ni mo frase ne ma me kra atena dwo mu hada mo nim wa ba mo da na koma so opeso obehwe na mabra abotimi tumpon enti we strong ko nti de ebesrem ni se mo fa ma ho den ene mo support Bibi antai nechi na butaya o mama no ebeboa mo pa
Papa enye ni amo kanu na ese yenti o amo ankasa mo hwe bebi amote aha green na eye mamo we atatra o that ya mo ya atatra
mo sabu tre mami na dem say ejuma wo hopa na government wo ejuma e wo say oye na yenso ye wo ejuma e wo say ye na ye brofo beka say ye sanitation problem ni hygiene no ya sam kakra na hwesenia ye de pure water sachet ni empty water bottles ni ma egugu bebia no ya na enye na sebi ye bo say ye hwe na yare anye asema ye de be ebe high adwen nti mesre say bia ye container na basket bia na ye de nyeme yi egum say the recycling companies e wo ho a omoso sa nyeme yi omoje de ye omo ejuma nti say bia ye behwe senia betumi de a transport ya mo no omoso enye say free omoso omutua nti na bibia be fi ho aba no na yeso ye de aye
nekaba kodwa ka bola awomi kodi bia che
mo fine you o ke baba
container ya sama weekend yeah bisi container no na e nyama no be
na one good news na e wo ho say more access to loans no idea you know yeah fa ho your brother say plans. Na your name open for no. Kan ho asempa na enchibia access to loans na be easy amamo.
Nura mi be mi wasa we dey unkonti atua o. Unkonti atua.
By next week, no, I don't miss any man.
Citizenship and good relationship as well, so that we citizens can benefit from our own natural resources. Kadang, 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 kadang. One of you, my friend, one of you will make this nation great and strong. Yazapa.